need to really eat and what it and eat multi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to move to a new home and I've never taken you along with my journey, but let's do that this time. I have a lot of stuff. I don't know how I'm gonna move it. I don't know how I'm gonna so I'm literally overwhelmed right now, but let's get going. This is my 1/4 of stuff. It's not even like the whole thing. So the idea is I take a quarter of stuff with me to the new place. I'll clean the new place first and then I'll take another batch, and I think I might need to go to and fro 3 times and I should be done. This is a lot of stuff for somebody who does not even have citizenship in this country. Let's get rolling. The fashion हो गया, मैं hair tie कर लेती हूँ. बैग पैर पे गिर गया. अभी तो स्टार्ट भी नहीं हुआ गाइस. I am already tired जबकि मैंने अभी सिर्फ स्टार्ट किया है. मैंने कुछ किया भी नहीं है and I'm tired. Now the biggest challenge is to take these heavy suitcases downstairs. For your context, I live on 3rd floor. वहाँ पे भी 2nd floor तक मुझे चढ़ाना है. So I am by myself to do all of it. Women empowerment, you guys. Just realized that I forgot to post my Insta story, Insta reel. So I'm gonna do that right now. ये ना ऐसे पैर पे रख के जल्दी से खुल जाता है. बैग नंबर 3, सेम टेक्निक. पैर लगा के. One of the best finds guys. मैंने ना ये तेमू से मंगाया था और इसमें सारा जितना भी छोटा छोटा हल्का सामान है वो इसमें डाल दिया. Now I can obviously lift the whole thing and put it across. Problem is obviously not in the weight. The problem is कि अगर ये नहीं होता तो मुझे बार बार ऊपर नीचे होना पड़ता. Now since ये है तो मैं एक ही बारी में को ऐसे ऊपर से नीचे ले जा सकती हूँ. 2 तरीके से उठा सकते हैं. एक ऐसे उठा सकते हैं और एक उठाकर, सिंस ये टूट चुका है, I have to lift it completely. Everything is secure in car. Everything has been loaded in car and you can see बहुत ज़्यादा भर चुकी है car. Now let's drive off to that place. And this is literally half of my stuff. Half is still there. Like I need to get other half. But हाँ, उनको heart attack ना आ जाए तो अच्छी बात है. Got this all upstairs. Now time to clean these things before we start doing anything. It is difficult to shift. It is very freaking difficult to shift. And it's an N-suit. I'm happy. Morning guys, this is day 2 and ignore my face. Right now, I've already started putting my clothes away. I put it away in one bag over there and now it's miscellaneous. And I just want to say that I'm amazed. Actually, I'm not even surprised at this point of time that the amount of stuff I have is insane. This one and that one has already been packed. And I also need to take this chair and this table. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Let's get all this in the car now. Hopefully we should be able to do it. To be fair in all this, I forgot how much I'm gonna miss this place. This place has been amazing. The kids in the lane and like the amount of runs I have gone on this house, the videos that I have shot, and like everything about this place is so good. Like this is one of the best houses I've lived in UK. But having said that, we gotta do what we gotta do. So let's go and shift at another place. And do it. I have ate so much. I can't. थक गई. वो क्या डायलॉग था? मैं तो थक गई भाई साहब. बहुत नॉट सो फनी. बाय. Another load. You know what? When I came, I just had 1 load and now I have 2. I really need to stop. I'm tired shopping. This table.
Oh, you're gonna be the man. It's not gonna happen.
Finally managed to get this freaking table in my car. Let's drive off to that place. I'm so done. I can't even say you. I can't wait to relax now. I am so freaking tired. And there's more stuff in the bags as well. I'm done for. I'll take a break and go have some food now. Hungry. I can't be bothered to cook. So I'm here to pick up something to eat. And I'm the most casual outfit ever. All the best to me. and I'm going to the most British place ever. Ordered a bunch of stuff from the apple tree. I have got a burger for myself with some fries, garlic bread with focaccia with cheese, and I've also got some brownie. I know it's a lot, but I deserve it after a whole day of hard work. And my idea is if I'll have that, I'll have energy to work ahead. I won a work gift card for all the apple tree and stuff, so I can use it over here, and hence it was all free in my defense. That's the place. अब इतने अंदर फैंसी लोग हैं and मैं ये पहन के आई हूँ. मैं बाहर ही बैठती हूँ and actually it's good outside. I'm liking the fresh air today. So yeah, I'm so excited to eat it. I'm like last मैं किसी चीज़ के लिए इतना excited नहीं रही हूँ. This is my room at the moment, but we will eat anyway. I'm so hungry. I can't be bothered about the room right now. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna be in food coma. Ignore my face, but chocolate cake, yes. I'm in literal heaven. Focaccia, chips and a burger. She is thick, you guys. She is thick. Pickled onion. That's the burger, so good. Bombay halloumi burger. There's thick layer of halloumi in it. Pickled veggies. Mumbai chutney. So good. I made the bed. I've kept stuff over there, bits and pieces. All my clothes over here. I stopped vlogging in between because the phone was dying and I forgot in which bag I kept the charger. But then I found the charger and yeah, meanwhile, everything has been done. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, update from the next day. You can see my vision board over here. I've started filling this wardrobe and I think it's like completely filled. Amount of clothes I have is surreal, and right now I'm segregating clothes by sleeves, office wardrobe, dresses, dressier dresses, and shorts and sports and gym clothes, yada yada yada. You're not ready to see my room. This is what my room looks like. Very overwhelming. In this are my dress. I put my dressy dress over here, skirts and stuff over here, my pajamas, office tops. These are the clothes I need to throw away, and gym clothes. These clothes are now away. To buy a dustbin, we need to buy a mug. Da 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 da. What else? Yeah, a few other things. Let's just clean bits and pieces now. I'll use this to put all of my sports thing for now. My swimming cap, running vest. Bhagwan, I can use this to hold on all the clutchers. इसको ऐसे कर दूँगी, सारे clutcher रह जाएंगे इस पे. Yeah, good idea. दिमाग कितना है भाई मेरे में. 2 weight bands. Update guys, a lot of it has been cleaned. फिर भी बहुत हद तक mess है. We need to clean by tonight. I'm gonna go and have some Greg's right now, and I also need to get some supplies. So let's do that. And yes, I'm wearing a good outfit. Let me show you. Not good. जो भी मुझे मिला जो मैं नहीं पहन रही थी. Oh my god! मैंने यहाँ पे lights लगाई है. Should I show you the lights? Okay. Once I finish everything, I'll show you with lights. But before that, my outfit. This is my outfit. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Bye. See you. Greg's slice for myself. I'll quickly have it and then go to Lidl. The amount of unhealthy food I'm having from 2 days is unreal. Cheers. Done with eating. Now I'm going to Aldi. Hello. I'm back from Aldi and I've got a lot of stuff. First thing first, this is multigrain hoops, protein hoops. No, I don't fall for this protein cereal kind of thing. But it's just that it's of chocolate flavor, and if I feel like having dessert, which I'm doing, like most of the times I feel like having dessert, so I'm gonna alternate that with this. So that's the reasoning. Got basic groceries, apples, tomatoes, frozen berries, some garlic, coriander, wash all the onions. Final update guys, we are all settled. The home is clean, the room is clean. I'll show you bits and pieces. Still there are clothes here and there, and you might need to just ignore and pretend it does not exist. This is my bed and above that is a vision board of mine, obviously. That's me. Hi. Let me switch on these lights for you because they are amazing. There you go. Sundar. Oh, that's my little corner, and if you see, it's me, my dada dadi, my mom and dad, my brother. This is the entrance. Over here is gonna be a shoe rack and a dustbin. Right now that polythene is my dustbin. Few bits and pieces that I need to clean. And that's it. That's my home. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you soon in the other end. Bye.